Natya Vihar Kala Kendra, an academy of performing arts, was instituted 3 decades ago by Hema Malini with the objective of promoting the rich culture and heritage of India through art in its various forms, especially dance and music. A classical dancer par excellence, Hema Malini has for many years been a solo performer on the stage in the varied dance forms like Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi and Mohiniyattam. Her career in Bollywood did not deter her from her pursuit of excellence in Indian classical dance forms. A dream which Hema Malini has nurtured for many years was to make this beautiful Indian classical art available to the masses. In 1986, a new dimension was added to this art form in the form of ballets. An element of entertainment was introduced on stage with special effects and lighting, professional studio recorded soundtracks, the glamour and glitter of costumes, and imposing stage effects. Thus, 2 new stage productions came into being in the form of the dance ballets, Nritya Malika and Meera. These stage presentations became a platform for Hema Malini to introduce high-level professionalism on the Indian stage in each of these ventures, and thus bring Indian classical art form presentation on par with international shows. Professional inputs of the likes of Ravindra Jain for music and Bhushan Lakhandri for dance choreography have made each of these ballets popular worldwide. The protagonist in all these presentations has been an Indian woman, covering the spectrum of Vedic to modern times. Whether it is the spiritual journey of Meera, or a soft yet strong character like Sita, whether it is the universal goddess Ma Durga, or a devoted lover, Radha, whether it is the goddess of abundance, Mahalakshmi, or a great tapaswani, Savitri, who challenged death with the power of her spiritual austerities. Hema Malini has portrayed these women and left an indelible impression on the minds of the audience. Each of these presentations brings out the unique ethos of Indian society in a simple manner. Every character in these presentations brings out various aspects of women, some of which history may have ignored. These programs have inspired many young talents to learn and present this art to appreciative audiences. Parampara symbolizes the handing over of values and virtues by one generation to another. With Hema Malini and her daughters, Isha and Ahana Deol, the biggest extravaganza to take place on the Indian stage recently has been a very modern depiction of our epic, the Mahabharata. For the first time, a judicious mix of stage and screen artists with state-of-the-art technology and fusion music has resulted in the making of Draupadi. How does it feel to shower maternal affection on the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna as he crawls into Ma Yashoda's affection? We have given you a glimpse of our creative endeavors over the years.